This way. I see the river. Get to the cool water.
Phew, we made it. That was a close one.
We haven't made it yet. Now we're stuck on this island. We're stranded. Help!
Well, at least we're not swimming in lava.
I can't swim. That's the point. How are we going to get across that river? I knew
Hiya! A little superhero channel.
I knew we shouldn't have gone this far from home.
Help!
Help!
Help! Help! Help! Help! What's that sound? Sounds like someone shouting for help. I better go up and have a better look. Woof woof! Activate Dino Height!
Help us! We're stranded!
I'm on my way, little dinos. Here I come. Oh, I really need to work on that landing.
I want my mummy.
I want my daddy.
I want cake. Don't worry, baby dinos. We'll get you off that beach and back to your parents. I'd better call Ryder and the rest of the PAW Patrol. Wow, did you hear that? We get to meet the PAW Patrol.
Cool.
Hi, Rex. What's up in Dino Wilds? As you can see, a whole lot of volcanoes as usual. 3 of them have just erupted unexpectedly, leaving some baby dinosaurs stranded on an island. Oh no! Don't worry, Rex. The Dino Pups are on their way. Pups, Rex needs our help on a mission. Another volcanic eruption is causing fiery chaos in the Dino Wilds. And 3 baby dinosaurs are stranded. So for this mission I need Dino Marshal. I need you and your Dino Rescue fire truck to navigate the tricky terrain of the wilds and put those raging volcanic fires out.
I'm fired up, Dino style.
And Dino Rubble. Once the fires are out, I need you and your Triceratops digger to build a bridge the baby dinos can use to safely cross the river back to their parents.
Rubble on the Dino double.
All right, PAW Patrol is on a dino roll. Rubble, Marshall, to the secret time tunnel.
I can see fire up ahead. Let's Dino do this. Water cannons, activate.
Activate. The fires are out, and it's safe to drive in, Rubble. Rubble on the Dino double. Here I come. Just need to find the right log for a bridge. This one looks about the right size. Just ease it in. Here we go. I'll just lay it across the water. There you go, dinos. Rex, tell the dinosaurs it's safe to cross.
Rawr, 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 rawr.
Thank you, Rubble. You've saved us. Mummy.
Oh, Mummy, Daddy, I'm sorry.
It's dangerous this far out in the wilds.
I promise I won't go out too far ever again. Do we have any snacks? I think there might be some cake at home.
Yes, let's all go home.
Caw! Caw! A Gigantosaurus is coming! Caw! Caw!
What's a Gigantosaurus?
Only the biggest dinosaur you've ever seen. He sounds like he needs help. I'll find out. Rawr. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Are you okay?
Oh no! I've just stepped on some Lego! No one likes standing on Lego.